Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video, and this video will be over AutoFit of the column width according to the content of it. So before moving into the problem set scenario, let me explain what is the drawback which we face while typing in Excel in a particular cell. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be opening up Excel and selecting a blank workbook. Now the thing is that if I write some column heading in this particular cell like serial number, so beside it there will be name and then role maybe and then maybe Aadhaar number. Fine. So though the spelling of Aadhaar number is not spelled properly, yet the thing which I'm trying to demonstrate is that you need to click on this in this particular upper in this particular section to select whole of the sheet and then click in between any two columns just to auto fit according to the content of the column. So I'll be showing you a way in which you will be preparing this particular Excel sheet. So you will be writing some data for the column labels, and according to the width of that particular column it will be getting adjusted automatically. How can I do that? So in this particular problem set scenario, what we did is that we selected this one and then we went for the AutoFit option. How to apply the AutoFit option automatically, something like that. So I'll be clicking on this plus icon, insert a new sheet, and from there I'll be going to here move forward, here view code. From this view code section I'll be changing general to worksheet. So for this particular worksheet I am applying some particular formatting like column. It is straightforward, columns dot auto fit. So if these suggestions doesn't show up in your computer, you can press Control Space plus from your computer for the suggestions to show up, or the autofill suggestions. Press Tab and press Control S, and finally fine. So now press Alt Q, or just simply close this dialog box. Fine. Now let's write serial number. Serial number. See, it is getting auto fitted. Then name. You will be having a small kind of maybe small maybe ph phone number. See, and then Aadhaar number. So according to the content of the cell, the according to the content of the cell, the textual data present in the cell, we are getting a auto fit kind of thing. So before ending the video, I would like to again summarize what I did, what I just showed you in this particular video. That right click on it and then go to this particular section, view code. From there, change from general to worksheet and simply apply this particular code, that is column.autofit. Write this code, and while writing columns, if the suggestions doesn't show up, press Control Spacebar from your keyboard for the Excel to suggest you that what you need to do, and then simply close this window, dialog window, and this dialog window as well, and your AutoFit Excel sheet has been generated. That's it. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.